Have you been looking for a way to make your thank you page fit you and your brand more? Let me show you how to edit your logo. Hey everyone, welcome to Jotform. My name is Kimberly, and the way that we go about this is going to be a little bit different depending on if you're using a classic form or a card form. So let me show you both. The first, let's start out with a classic one. I'm going to choose my form and click on Edit Form. Then from here, I'm going to go up to the top middle tab, the Settings tab, and then over on the left, the Thank You page. And you can see it's automatically going to give us a standard thank you page. Now over here on the right, you can choose that layout and how it looks. For this, I'm going to go ahead and keep this. From here, it's fairly simple. I'm just going to highlight this icon and I'm going to click my delete button to completely get rid of it. I'm going to come up to my formatting bar and I'm going to choose Insert Image. If you haven't already uploaded an image to Jotform, you can do that here. I'll go ahead and import or upload a Jotform image. I'm going to head over to my images, choose Jotform, click on Save, and now we have our logo on our submission page. Now, if you want, you can even change the sizing of it. If you want it to be small, if you want it to be large, that is completely up to you. That is how we're going to do it for a classic form. Now let me go back to my dashboard and let me grab a card form. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, Edit Form. Now you can see for this one, if we go up to Settings, the thank you page is not there. It literally lives in the build section of your card form. So if we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see a space down here that says Edit Thank You Page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Thank You Page. And it's very similar to what you would find on the Settings tab. We can either redirect to an external site or we can show that thank you page. And right here it says click to add logo. I'm going to go ahead and click that button. And then we can upload. And there we go. So if you have any questions about personalizing your thank you page to fit you and your brand, please let us know and I'll see you next time.